Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both sides, your React app and a Firebase project. First, create or open your React app and install the Firebase SDK so you have the libraries available. Then, in the Firebase console, add a web app and copy the config object. Once done, create a src/Firebase JS file and initialize Firebase with that config. This centralizes your setup and avoids repeating imports across components, making your code cleaner and easier to maintain. Now you wire React to the database. In src/Firebase JS, initialize Firestore or real-time database and export a DB reference plus small helper functions for reads and writes. In components, import those helpers and use effect for initial data fetches. Make the effect async or call an async function inside it. For writes, create forms that call your helper functions on submit. And for live updates, subscribe to snapshots or value events so the UI reflects changes automatically. This keeps state consistent and responsive. Finish by adding security and robustness. Set Firebase rules to restrict access and test them using the emulator or test accounts so you don't expose data. Make sure every database call is wrapped in try/catch and surfaces clear messages to the user. This prevents silent failures. Once deployed, monitor performance, create indexes, paginate large queries, and cache where appropriate. If something breaks, check console errors, verify config values, and confirm the correct Firebase project and API key are being used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.